Welcome to class 6. Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today's topic is properties of materials, solubility, floating and sinking, and transparency. Solubility of solids in water. Substances that dissolve when mixed with water are said to be soluble in water. For example, salt, sugar, honey, coffee, etc. Whereas the substances that do not dissolve in or mix with the water are insoluble in water. For example, sand, chalk, gold, silver, wood, paper, etc. Solubility of liquid in water. Liquid that get completely mixed with water are called miscible in water. For example, milk, ink, alcohol, etc. Some other that do not mix with water and form a separate layer. They are called immiscible in water. For example, mustard oil, fat, kerosene, etc. Floating and sinking. Substances insoluble in water can float or sink in it. Let us do an activity to understand this. Things needed: dried leaf, stone, a coin, iron nails, plastic ball, a piece of wood, wax piece, few drops of honey. Method: take a beaker half filled with water. Now drop the above materials one by one and observe whether they float or sink in water. Now observation. We notice that stone, coin, drops of honey and iron nails sink in water because these materials are heavier than water. We also observe that the dried leaf, plastic ball, wood piece and wax piece float on the surface of water because these materials are lighter than water. Next, transparency. The material which allow light to pass through them are called transparent. For example, glass, acrylic sheet, water and air, etc. The material which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque. For example, wood, stone, cardboard, metal, etc. Certain materials allow only a part of the light to pass through them. Such materials are called translucent. For example, oily paper or waxed paper and frosted glass, etc.